Hey, when me just meet her in a 2005, me never have nothing, you know. I'm a mother me live with. All me did have an ambition and a dream of becoming an artist, you see me? So we meet 2005 and me never get a break in her music till 2009. So that about 4 to 5 years of trying. And she never yet say, yo, you know see where you're trying now work? Go look at work. She always encourage me and stick by me, you see me? Yeah man, oh fine, me find the big song, Life So Sort Out. Then after that, we go on and on. Then after that, whether night or evil day, bartender. Hey, what heap of song. Fast forward to 2026, see where I'm taking her on shows with me at the big Hard Rock Live, Hollywood, Florida. Whizz live with artists like Shaggy, yo, Inner Circle, big show. Yeah man, she have to reap all of the benefits of success, you see me I say? Yeah man, Whizz live on stage, watch it, light up the stage, Whizz music. Yeah man, big up Bobsy, I rub down my beard. Never afraid. Yeah man, we still there together, you see me? Sharing a meal of success. That a code. But here we go, I want to leave two things with the people. Man them, when you have a girl, we're there with you from nothing to something, through the struggle, through the poverty. You see when success reach, make sure you hold on on the girl, you see me? That a code. Don't let her go. And for the girl them, if you have a man, if you have ambition and drive and determination for achieving a life, even when him not nothing, stick with him. Build him. Anyway, Happy New Year, people. Remember to keep the Whizz music streaming. That is it. Ace!